Hopefully everybody's doing okay. This is not financial advice. I'm gonna switch this to the stock market screen and we'll see what the hell is going on in there. We'll see what the hell is going on in there. Hell yeah. Gotta adjust this so it's more visible. So it's the take profit trader. That's the Robinhood deal right there. Alrighty, maybe stream here for a little bit, for a tiny bit, and see what the hell the market is doing. See what the hell is going on in here. Okay. Okay, so that's the investing account, options account, Roth IRA account, the VNICS account. So that's all of them. Let's check out, let's see. Maybe, let me see. BITC, check out Bitcoin. They are real, I know, right? How's it going, Tommy Hawk? How's it going, man? Oh man, Bitcoin be dipping a little bit. 667. Well, it's kind of trying to trend because it's got the 6677. It's 3 sevens. Wow, that's crazy. But yeah, it's got the 6-7. It's trying to trend a little bit here. It's kind of weird, but it is dipping a bit more. See, we'll see how low it's gonna go, right? How's it going there, Tommy Hawk? But yeah, it be dipping. Let's see. Maybe since everything's kind of dipping, let's see. Got to do the cyber puppy stuff, right? The flipping cyber puppy stuff. See if I should feed those a tiny bit. I don't got too much in that, but since everything's dipping, might as well try to get some. See if the paper wants me to get some. Let's see. Maybe do the paper thingy. The flipping paper thingy again. The beat up paper, right? It's all like torn apart like crazy, but it's still kind of sort of halfway alive. Alrighty, let's see. Should I feed the flipping cyber puppy? Shiba Inu. Let's see. Should I feed the cyber puppy? Oh man, I haven't fed the cyber puppy forever and still says no. What the flipping hell? That's kind of weird. Kind of sucks, but it is what it is, I guess. That cyber puppy's got to starve a tiny bit more. It's got to starve a tiny bit more for right now. I guess it is what it is. Let's see, what about the other one? Let's see, Doge. Do I have any Doge? Dogecoin, the other cyber puppy. Let's see if I should feed that one a little bit, right? Let's see. Let me see here. Dogecoin, looks like I don't have any of that one. But I guess I could flip the paper, see if I should get any of that one. Don't have too much buying power, but I guess I could go and check it out. Let's see. Should I flip and feed the Doge cyber puppy? Let's see what it says. What? It's like a sideways no. It's more of a no, but it's like a sideways no. It's kind of weird. I'll try again. Should I feed the cyber puppy, the Dogecoin cyber puppy? Okay, I guess it's a no. I guess it wants them cyber puppies to starve a little bit. It is what it is. Flipping is. It is what it is, like crazy right now. Don't know why, but it is what it is. See, maybe it might want me to get the Solana thing. Let's try that one. Maybe it might. Let's see, Solana. I got some of it. It's kind of down. I might go down some more. Did you take a break from streaming? Oh, hey there, Soda. Yeah, kind of did take a little bit of a break, but it's not that much of a break. Is that like I was overwhelmed? I still am. Too many construction projects I'm dealing with, and I was kind of burnt out. So yeah, it's not easy, but I'm trying to fit more of the streams as much as I can. But like wasn't that easy. Like I said, I'm overwhelmed with work and stuff like that. Like, so I'm trying to make some time for the streams. Oh man, burnout sucks. I hear it. Yeah, for sure. I'm glad you hear me. You understand. But yeah, it wasn't that easy. I'm still like overwhelmed, like crazy. Hey there, Lance. Glad you're back on here. Hell yeah. Yeah, let's see. Should I get some Solana? Let's see. Yes or no? Let's see what the paper says on that one. It doesn't want me to get Solana. Let's see. Maybe, let's see. Should I get some Ethereum? Let's see. Should I get some ETH? Look, no crypto. Like, it's like a no for everything. See, should I get some gold? Let's see. Should I get some gold? Look, I think that something's up. Like all the cryptos, it said no. Gold, it said yes. That's so weird. That's so flipping weird. I think there might be a black swan thingy about to happen because the paper predicting such crazy things. It might be a possibility. Might kind of sort of halfway be a black swan deal going on here. Buy stuff that's down quality stocks, though. You need to rebuild the portfolio in a positive direction. Oh yeah, for sure. I definitely agree with you. But I think because of all the news and everything that's going on, I think there might be a black swan event type of thing going on here. Not a for sure thing or anything, but potentially maybe. Let's see. Maybe I should get some GLD a little bit at least. Let's see, gold. Let's get some gold, right? The flipping paper said I could get some gold. Antifa. Goro? What's Goro? I'll go gold, Goro, yeah. Oro. Oro is gold. But yeah, I should get some gold. Let's see. That's the individual account. I'll get some gold under whatever accounts I have, at least a little bit. The ticker number for gold resources. Oh, I see. Thank you there, Antifa. I'll check that one out. I'll add that one after I get some of the gold. Then I'll get the Goro. I'll look at the Goro thingy. Let's see. Right now, get this one just a little bit, like $1 of this for now. And then I'm going to do the same thing. Let's see, under the options, I'm going to get some gold. I'll get more on this one. Goro is up 98 year to date. Oh, 98% year to date. That's a lot. That's crazy. I'll definitely check it out right now after I get some of the gold thingy. The Nicky SETF. Okay, under this one, I'll get the Goro thingy. Let's see. Let's check out GORO. Gold resource. Yeah, you're right. So yeah, year to date. Yeah, 94.12%. Yeah, it's up quite a bit. A Charizard Illustrator Pokemon card sold for 16.5 million Sunday night. Oh yeah, that's crazy. That's insane. I heard that on the news too. That's crazy. So expensive just for a card. 16.5 million. That's crazy. But yeah, this one's up quite a bit. I wonder what this one's all about. Does it like kind of follow gold or oops, didn't mean to do that. I want to read about it, see exactly what it is. It looks like I do have some of it, and whatever I got in it, it's up. I had $1 in it, it's up a little bit. Let's see. Gold Resource Corp engages in the production of metal concentrates. It includes gold, silver, copper, lead, and zinc, and door containing gold and silver. It operates through the following geographical segment: Mexico, Nevada, and corporate and other. The company was founded by David C. Reid and William W. Reid on August 24, 1998, and is headquartered in Denver, Colorado. The listed name for Goro is Gold Resource Corporation. So yeah, it looks like I do have this one a little bit, but maybe just for the heck of it, I could get some more of it. You know, let's see, buy this one. Let's see, under this ETF. Let's see, let's get like at least $1 more of this one, because obviously I don't have much buying power in this one, but I will get some of it. Oh, it's a gold miner. I see. That's pretty cool. Thank you for the information there, Antifa. But yeah, I don't have much buying power under the VNKS ETF, but I'll get some more under the other ones though. Let's see. Individual investing options. Oh, under options, I got more on that one. trade, maybe buy like a couple bucks on that one. Looks kind of decent a little bit. Let's see if I was to do options, how much would an option buy? Like if I get one far out by call. Let's see. PL Plan Labs. Oh, Plan Labs might be pretty decent too, right? Gold. Oh yeah, gold is pretty good, for sure. Let's see what. I wonder what this thing is. Pen to live stream. Huh, weird. Futures GC is trying to run up. Oh yeah, I think it might be running up because of all the news. From what I heard on the recent news, that like most likely, there might be a war with Iran. Like not a guarantee or anything, but that's what I'm hearing on the news. So if that's gonna happen, that could make a black swan deal because of that, and plus other stuff like tariff stuff. If the courts will rule, depends on how that will go. Like that could cause like crazy stuff in the market too. So I don't want to say anything, predict anything, but crazy shit could happen. It's over 5K and rallying higher. Yeah, like if there's gonna be a black swan going on or happening, that the gold and silver is they're gonna potentially be running up like crazy again. They might try to do a blow off top like it did before, like where it went up recently. It might potentially go back up there again. Like try to retest those crazy highs and maybe try to go higher, but I don't know. Might take a while longer, but who knows? We'll see what happens. These are my biggest gainers in my portfolio. Oh, nice. That's awesome. Thank you for sharing there, Antifa. Right now, with the crazy stuff that's going on in the market, I think gold and silver and like the gold miners and like stuff like that should be doing okay, in my opinion. Not financial advice, but yeah, it looks pretty decent. AG Majestic Silver. Oh yeah, I like that one too. I started recently adding that one too. Let's see, AG. I'll probably add some more. I got a little bit of it. Whatever I got in, it's up. But I'll probably add the rest of what I got in my, let's see, Nicky SETF. I gotta add some more funds. I do have quite a bit of funds in my options account. I can still buy stocks with that one. But this one, I'll probably buy the rest of what I got for this one, the AG. I do have a little bit. I'll buy the rest with the, oops. I had to do the 1.13. Actually, I only did a different thing. Okay, there we go. But yeah, this one I do like the AG, the Majestic Silver. And if it's going to keep on going up higher, I think it might. Let's see, let's look at the chart. Yeah, there's a possibility it might, but like it's worth it for long term, I think, in my opinion, regardless. Does look pretty good. Let's see, maybe under the options, I'll probably get some more of this one. Options portfolio. Let's see, buy like $5 worth of this thing. I just got my Cash App and they sent me a 1099. Do I have to file that on my taxes? I heard only if someone sent me more than 600, but no one has yet. GDX. The depends there, Flavio MTZ. Like if you didn't like, I'm not a tax expert or anything like that, but like if I got a tax form from any of the brokerages that I use just to be on the safer side, I would try to file it. Like show the IRS. But like there are like little amounts that you don't have to or whatever. But like me, like obviously it's not tax advice, not any advice. But if I got a form, I would file it when I do my taxes just to be on the safer side. Like that's literally what I'm doing. Even some brokerages that I don't have much money on, I'm still filing it for my taxes. It's just safer to do so. Then the IRS will be like, okay, they're not hiding anything, whatever type deal. Like less red flags. In my opinion. But yeah, your truth is under 600 is like whatever type deal, no big deal. But just to play it safer, if you want to be like extremely on the safer side, I would just file it. Let's see, GDX. Vanna Gold Miners. Okay, do I have some of this one? I'm not sure if I do, but I'll probably get some of this one. Let's see, GDX. Oh, you're welcome there, Flavio. It's also cumulative. It's also cumulative 600. Yes, for sure. Okay, let's see. GGX. GGX tracks a market cap weighted index of global companies tied to gold and silver mining activities. The listed name for GGX is Vanna Gold Miner. Yeah, this one does look pretty good too. Like, so let's see. Like, I want to look at the chart, see what it looks like. So this one almost looks like it follows like what how gold moves. Like, almost does the same thing. But yeah, it does look pretty good. So I'll probably get some more of this one. Probably get like $5 worth of this one for now. Oops. Gotta switch to my different account because obviously my individual account doesn't have much money. Eventually I gotta put more money in the other accounts, but put like $5 on this one right now. I heard VOO was a good stock. Yeah, VOO is pretty good for like the long term. But if there's gonna be a black swan event, like sometimes even the good ETFs, like they dip with everything. So short term it might dip a little bit, but for long term they do pretty good. Almost looks like a shoulder, head, shoulder. Might like everything might start potentially dipping down if there will be a black swan. But Vanguard, like VTI, VOO, SCHD, SPY, just all of them are pretty decent for long term. But you do have to have the stomach to like go through the dips, the market crashes, recessions, black swan events, because sometimes it affects them too. Not as bad as like some individual stocks, but it still affects them. I still got to be careful. But like, yeah, this one's definitely pretty good for long term. I do like it for long term. Let's see. So yeah, in 1 year, it's like 12%. That's not too bad. I can only buy full shares, so I try to stick to lower dollar cost stocks. Oh, I see, I see. That makes sense. Which brokerage are you using there, Antifa? But yeah, it's kind of crazy. But yeah, Vanguard for sure, like it's pretty decent for like the long term type of portfolio. You get dividends, 30-day yield, 1.08%. And stuff like that. But like right now, like it's not a guarantee. I'm not sure if there will be like a black swan or a dip or whatever. But I'll try to get as much as I can, whatever I can on a dip. Because even looking at the like even what I got, like for the most part, I got pretty decent stuff. But almost like on everything, almost looks like it's like a head and shoulders pattern type deal. So there might be on the general picture. So there might be a black swan weird deal going on here shortly. Especially if the war with Iran will break out, that might be kind of negative in general. It's my IRA. Oh well. Merrill Edge. Oh, I see. I see. That's pretty cool. But that's awesome that like you're able to trade with even that one. That's pretty cool there. I had my eye on SanDisk last year around October 2025, and it was 146, and now it's 600. Oh yeah, it kind of sucks when you have an eye on something and then you don't get in, and it goes up like crazy. Yeah, that for sure totally sucks. But yeah, like it did go up quite a bit. But like right now at these heights, like I think it might be doing still okay, but like kind of risky to buy at the highs. That's the thing, could keep on going up higher potentially, but it might not. Like I don't know. Right now, if there will be like a weird black swan thing, we'll see what kind of good deals we could get in that event, right? It's not a guarantee. It's not for sure thing, but you got to be prepared for anything to happen. I'm up 73% over a year and 50% year to date. Oh, nice. That's awesome there, Antifa. You're doing pretty good. Hell yeah, man. Keep it up. That's awesome. Cheers, cheers. Gotta drink some of my mate thingy here. I see. Maybe I should throw the paper and see if I should DCA into Tesla. Let's see. Should I flip in DCA into Tesla at the moment? Let's see what it says. So the paper says no, so I think it might dip a little bit more, but who knows? At the moment, at least, it said no. At least for the moment. At least kind of sort of halfway for the moment. I'm up something over a year. UEC. Okay, I could check out the UEC thing. Add a sticker. Sticker thing. Start killing. Let's see. Oops, I didn't mean to do that one. What the hell? Oopsies. Any luck lately? Any luck lately for me? Like I wasn't doing much trading, but like I'm doing okay. Cause like after I sold out of everything, like to get out of margin, I started to get back in slowly, but I didn't do much trading because I was super busy working, too much jobs and projects and stuff like that. Let's see, UEC, right? UEC. Oh, uranium energy. I like this one. I definitely like this one. Let's see. I'll probably add this one. Let's see to my individual. Yeah, if I have any on the individual, yeah, I'll probably buy this one. UEC 1.07. Use up the last of my buying power. Get that. Hey there, Ash J2088. How's it going, man? Not much, just chilling on here. Okay, so yeah, this one, uranium, I think has pretty good potential, especially with all the weird stuff that's going on. I kind of like this one. Let's see here. No dividend. Analyst ratings, 89% buy, 11% hold. Yeah, I like this one for the long term. Let's see what other one. Probably get under the options too. Let's see, buy. Get like $5 at this one for right now. And eventually I gotta transfer more funds so I could do more buying. So I do like the uranium deal. And then like if I decide to like get like let's see, super far outdated contract, let's see how much that would cost. Buy call, let's see something like this. The iPad's being glitchy. The delta 0.74, pretty good delta. So yeah, that would, actually that's not bad. If I'd get one contract like this, $805, not too bad. Let's see, and then eventually if it would go up like crazy, you know, it might do kind of okay. You know, on a potential unlimited profit, that'd be pretty cool. That would be pretty cool. How low do you think Bitcoin is going to go? Argentina. How low do you think Bitcoin is going to go? I'm not sure. Short term, but anything can happen. But there's a potential it might go to the 40,000. Like obviously, it's not financial advice, not a guarantee, but it might hit 40,000 around there ish. Not a guarantee or anything. It's just it has a potential to do that. Not financial advice. Maybe I should throw the paper like and see if it'll reach 40,000, right? Let's see. Will Bitcoin reach 40,000? Let's see. Yes or no. So the paper says no, that it won't reach 40,000. Let's see. Will Bitcoin reach 45,000? Let's see what it says. No, it says no. Will Bitcoin reach 46,000? Hey, where'd it go? Disappeared. Where did the paper go? It's magic. It disappeared somewhere. Oh, there it is. So it says 46,000. It said yes. So it might potentially hit 46. At least that's what the paper said. At least that's what the flipping paper said. Oh, man, crazy stuff. Not financial advice or anything, but you know, we'll see what happens. Bro, this isn't going to end well. Close the options tab on Robinhood. Close the options tab on Robinhood. Why? It might be time to buy some Bitcoin soon. I know if it does reach like 46,000, I'll probably load up like crazy on it. I'll probably borrow money and like load up on it like crazy. uh, but we'll see what happens. Let's see LAR. Let's check that one. Let's see LAR. I don't know why my iPad is being kind of glitchy. Maybe because I haven't used it too much. Lithium Argentina. I think I used to have this one before. Why is the iPad so glitchy? So I'll probably buy some of this one. Let's see, under the options. Trade, buy like $5 of this one. I wouldn't doubt it. I heard Bitcoin was on the Epstein files. Oh, really? The Bitcoin was on the Epstein files? That's crazy. That's funny. Oh, man. Maybe I should ask the paper, should I have bought the Lithium Argentina? Should I, like, see what the paper says? Should I have bought the Lithium Argentina? Let's see, yes or no? Oh, no. It said no. Too late. Already bought it. Oh, man. Let's see. What else here? Maybe I should check out, let's see what's Palantir doing. PLTR. Oops. PLTR. Okay, Palantir technology. So Palantir's not doing too bad, but still doesn't look too good still. Bitcoin will go nuts once risk returns to the markets. Oh yeah, like once risk returns to the market for sure. I think it'll be flying with a whole bunch of shit coins and everything else. I definitely kind of agree with that one. But like when that's gonna happen, I don't know. But I think eventually it will. But short term, it might dip. Who knows? We'll see if the black swan thing will happen or not. But yeah, if it does reach like 40,000 or 30,000 or maybe even 20,000, I'll load up like crazy. That would be pretty cool. Like if it does reach like 20K, load up like crazy, and then goes up to like 500,000, made some good money, you know. Be pretty nice. Let's see, maybe like I should ask the paper if I should get some Palantir. Let's see what the paper says. Let's see, should I flip and buy some Palantir stock? Yes or no? Let's see what the hell? It landed like that and said no. That's weird. I guess it doesn't want me to get Palantir. Maybe it might dip a little bit. Maybe it might kind of sort of halfway dip. It didn't want me to get Tesla. It doesn't want me to get Palantir. Let's see. I haven't checked Nvidia. Maybe I should check out Nvidia, see what that does. Let's see. Nvidia. It's kind of like a decent area, but I think it might dip lower short term, but who knows. Get a loan and buy 5 Bitcoin whole coins. I know, right? For sure, that'll be awesome. Yeah, if it does reach like 20K, get a loan and yeah, buy the crap out of that thing. For sure. Thing is, I'm not sure if it'll reach 20K, 40,000 maybe, 40, 50 maybe. 20,000 still ain't think it happened. There's a possibility, but not so likely, I guess. Nvidia, let's see. I don't have too much Nvidia. See, I'll ask the paper, should I buy some Nvidia? Yes or no? Let's see what it says. Should I flip and buy some Nvidia? Let's see what the paper says. Okay, so the paper likes Nvidia for some reason, right? Kind of sort of halfway likes it. I guess I could buy a little bit of it, at least, you know. Just at least a tiny bit of Nvidia, you know, because it kind of likes Nvidia at the moment for some reason. Let's see, go switch to options. Not much because it might dip some more, but a little bit won't hurt. A tiny bit won't hurt. Let's see, then the next one. Oh yeah, let's check out the NVTS. Let's see what that one is all about. Nvidia semiconductor. I like it for the long term, especially if it's gonna dip more. I could add more to it. I don't have much into that one right now. But at the moment, I'll probably add a little bit of it to that one. Let's see, trade, buy, maybe a couple bucks. This one. And then I could ask the paper and see if I should get some more of the Novitas or whatever it is. Let's see, should I get some more of the Novitas semiconductor? Let's see, yes or no. I guess it said no, it doesn't want me to. It is what it is. It is what it flipping is. And my flipping paper's all beat up. Look at it. It's like all like torn apart. I'm not sure how long it's gonna flip and last. It's like super stone age, super beat up. It's like, what the hell is the paper doing? It's like, might fall apart soon a little bit. You know, it's kind of crazy. Oh, hey there, Ernest Bennett. Okay, let's see. Next one I should check out. Let's see, which one should I check out? Maybe I should check out, oh yeah, silver. Let's check out silver. The normal silver, or at least the silver futures. So it's good. Oh, at least it had the sevens, but yeah, silver's not that bad. I think might be a good buying opportunity kind of right now. Here to date, 1 year. Silver. Yeah, like silver looks kind of decent. Is Dogecoin $2 yet? Dogecoin $2 yet? I don't think so. There. AIBY 7K. I don't think it is. I guess silver. Let's see. iShares silver. That's the one I got. Let's see. Maybe I could add some more of this one. So down. Let's see. Maybe I'll add like under the options. I'll probably add like maybe $10 to the silver. Silver for a long term might be kind of sort of halfway okay. But you're talking about the Doge deal, right? DOGE. The Dogecoin. It didn't hit $2. It's at 0.097. 9 cents. Almost 10 cents. I'm still skeptical of gold and silver, although I still have good profits. Oh, I see. Yeah, the thing is, like, gold and silver, they could still go down, like, you know. But like, as long as like I'm not putting my whole portfolio in at the price that it's at, and I dollar cost average, I think it's not bad. Because for the long term, in my opinion, I think gold and silver will continue going up. Short term, anything could happen, though, you know. But for me personally, it doesn't hurt to add a little bit of gold and silver here and there, especially like at a discount. Like when I see it at a dip or quite a bit of a lower price, I don't mind adding to it. But I kind of see what happens though. Oh yeah, let's check out, let's see, Walmart. I think I did check it out recently, but yeah, Walmart did dip a little bit recently. I think it reached the 130s here just recently, which is kind of crazy. But I think for Walmart, I might wait for it to dip quite a bit actually before I get into that one. I don't think anytime soon is going to be around here, but if it's going to reach like around $100 or slightly less, that's where I try to load up and then ride it back up to the high points on that one. Yeah, I agree with you there, Net Falcon 4347. I think it is expensive, the whole thing go down. Yes, that's kind of what I'm thinking might happen. That's what I was like saying. There might potentially be like a black swan event about to happen. Not a guarantee, not financial advice or anything, but there's a potential for that to happen. So in that case, everybody got to be safe around it, because if that happens, things could dip even lower, quite a bit lower. But not a guarantee, and who knows. But yeah, if everything does dip, like I'll probably be loading up like crazy. Be loading up like crazy. Gold has never gone to zero. Thousands of companies do. Yeah, exactly. I agree there with Wolf's Call. Yeah, gold has never went to zero. Kind of, sort of, halfway. Exactly. Kind of, sort of, halfway. Exactly. That's how I be talking. Kind of, sort of, halfway a little bit, but not too much. Just kind of, it is what it is a little bit. Let's see. Go to the options. But yeah, it'll be actually kind of cool if the Black Swan thing it does happen. That way, like flipping like get some such crazy good ass deals, and once everything goes back up, you'll be sitting pretty good, pretty. That's funny, awesome, man. Kind of good to talk a little bit different, a little bit funny. Cheers. By the way, drinking my flipping midnight coffee, although it's not midnight here, but yeah, it kind of is what it is. Kind of flipping is what it is. Nvidia earnings next week. Oh yeah, I think it is next week, Lance. Uh, I'm not sure exactly what day, but from like what I heard, I think it is like close to about next week sometime. Let's see, what other things should I look up? Oh yeah, let's see what QQQ is doing. QQQ is at $606. So today it's up 0.73%. Overnight it's up 0.12. So it's not doing bad so far. Let's see. Let's check out SPY. SPY's doing pretty decent too. Up 0.50% today. 0.06% overnight. Not bad. Yeah, but the thing is, if Bitcoin is dipping, it might make the market dip some more with it alongside of it. You know, like it kind of foresees some stuff a little bit, in my opinion. We'll see what happens, but yeah, also we'll see what happens in the flipping Nvidia earnings. Let's see which other one. Honestly, which other one did I want to check out? Oh, I want to check out Apple. See how Apple is doing. Apple's today it's up 0.14. Overnight it's down 0.32. Yeah, like if there will be something crazy going on, like some companies will do a little better than others, but I think a lot of stuff might be dipping. A lot of stuff might be kind of sort of halfway dipping. Bitcoin bear market for 52 weeks from October. Oh wow, for 52 weeks from October. That's crazy. Thanks for the information there, Brandon. 77025. Let's see, maybe check out Google here for a little bit. Let's see, Google. Let's see. Google, so it's up today 0.41%. Overnight, it's up 0.16%. Let's see, maybe I should do like a full port on the prop firm account thing. Maybe I should do like 150 contracts, right? 150, and then go full port on that one. Oh, I didn't want to do 1,000 contracts. Let's see, 150, and then go full port like 150 contracts on the gold, and then go long, and then they'll kind of do its thing. I'm not gonna do that. I'll be way too funny. But yeah, I wouldn't want to do that one right now. But yeah, Google is pretty decent, not too bad. But I'll probably wait for it to dip a little bit lower. I do like it for a long term, the Google. I just want to wait for it to dip some more before I add some more to it. That's kind of what I'm planning on doing. Let's see, Nicky is ETF. Let's see, I want to see what kind of stocks I got here. The SoFi, XTI. So got a whole bunch of big list of stuff here. Let's see how Netflix is doing. Netflix is in quite a bit of a dip from where it used to be. Let's see, 3 months. 3 months is down almost 30%. That's crazy. Year to date is down 17. 1 year. 1 year is down 26.42%. 5 years it's up a little bit. Yeah, might be a good opportunity to add some right here if you see how the does the pattern. If you look at the general chart, it might do another one like this, like potentially. So if it does, it could potentially do pretty good. Obviously, it's not a guarantee. Nothing's a guarantee, but I like it for long term though. Oh, Amazon for the long term, I like it. I like it too. I definitely agree with you there, Lance. Especially like it's been dipping here for a while. Eventually, like it's a good company. It'll go back up. I do like Amazon for long term. Yeah, Bitcoin is leading indicator. Risk on, risk off. Oh yeah, I definitely agree with you there, Net Falcon. But yeah, I'll probably I might add a little bit of Netflix. Let's see to the options. Let's see, not much, but kind of see what it does. Like $5 for now, because I do like it for long term. I think it might do something pretty good. But then I'll toss the paper and see if it's worth it to DCA into Netflix right now. Let's see. Is it worth it to DCA into Netflix right now? Yes or no? So the paper says yes, so I might add a tiny bit more to that one then. If the paper kind of sort of halfway said yes, I guess I could add a tiny bit more to it. Just at least a tiny bit more to that one. Let's see, maybe a couple bucks right now. I think I'll benefit massively from AI and also from robotics. Oh yeah, from AI and robotics, especially in the Tesla, because you're in Tesla. I think that one will be like doing pretty good. Like out of a whole bunch of companies, I think for the long term, Tesla will probably be doing one of the best, in my opinion. Not financial advice, but look at Amazon profit margin compared to Nvidia to see difference. Let's see. Uh, So yeah, I do like Netflix for a long time, especially if there will be something crazy going on like a war or whatever. I think people will still be watching Netflix. The SFM took a nosedive, class action lawsuit, and overexpansion has investors pulling back. Oh wow, that's crazy. That's flipping crazy. I gotta check my phone here in a second. Just let's see. Okay. Okay, I'm checking something out here. Okay, so I'm done with this thing. Just a second here. I'm gonna have to reply to something here. Alrighty. Be back right now. Let's see. SFM. Let's check out SFM. SFM. I'm not even sure what this Sprouts Farmers Market. Oh, it's weird. So right now today it's up. Oh, so 1 month ago, right? Past month is down 10.39%. 3 months is down 16.91. Oh, just generally 5 years and let's cancel ramen noodle night, please. Oh, let's cancel ramen noodle night, please. Oh, why cancel ramen noodle night? Ramen noodles pretty good. It tastes kind of good, kind of sort of halfway okay, I guess, right? And it's a little bit healthy. I think it's one of them healthier foods a little bit, like maybe potentially not financial advice or not food advice or not like health advice or whatnot. But yeah, no, ramen's not that bad. It's pretty tasty delicacies a little bit here. Let's check out Amazon. Invest in Pokemon. I don't know, right? Kind of like the one guy that sold his card like for 16 whatever million that was. That was crazy. Yeah, you could do good with it. Depends what kind of cards you get, I guess. Let's see Amazon, right? Want to check Amazon. Oops. Yeah, Amazon. So today it's up 1.75%. Overnight it's down up 0.31. So 1 week it's down. 1 month it's down 12%. 3 months it's down 9.99%. Year to date is down 11. 1 year it's down 10 point. Damn, 1 year it's down. That's crazy. Pokemon Lego now. I know, right? For sure. Is XRP any good? I gotta check it out right now. After I check out this one, XRP. I do kind of like XRP for the long term, but if all the crypto is gonna be dipping some more, XRP probably be going alongside with them all, in my opinion. Not financial advice, but like if Bitcoin will be dipping some more, I think XRP and most of the other cryptos will be dipping alongside of it. But yeah, since flipping Amazon dipped quite a bit, I think eventually it'll go back up, but it might dip some more before it does go back up. But like I do have a little bit of it. Pokemon is where I'm investing about 10 to 20K this year. Oh, nice. Hopefully you'll hit a home run with the Pokemon investment there, Lance. Hopefully that'll work out for you pretty good. Let's see Amazon. I might add some more to the Amazon. Let's see options. Not much, but probably like a couple bucks for now because I think it might dip some more, but I don't know if it will. Okay, so I guess that's good enough for now. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe I should check out. See what SoFi is doing. Oops, not this one. Yeah, SoFi's at a dip. Like depends. Like I do still like SoFi for long term, but I wanna see what it's doing right now and with all the black swan potential situation, it might affect it too. So do have to kind of be careful with it a little bit. Man, the iPad's so glitchy. Why is it so flippin' glitchy? What the hell? I don't get it. Why is it so glitchy? Oh, there's XRP. Let's see, XRP. Yeah, XRP is right now at a discount like crazy. I don't. Oh, maybe my phone's kind of. The iPad's kind of glitchy. Maybe because it's already fully charged and it's still kind of charging. Maybe that's why. I gotta unplug it here for a little bit. Might be trying to overheat itself a little bit. I gotta adjust it here a little bit. Come on. Because SoFi sucks. I own it and I was up huge, but not a fan. So that's telling. I know, right? For sure. Yeah, SoFi is pretty crazy. I do, like I said, I do still like it for the long term, but like I sold out like out of everything before everything dipped. At least I got out, but eventually I am starting to get in a little bit at a time. But honestly, how the general market will play out, might have to wait for the bigger dip in general, potentially for everything to happen. Not financial advice, nothing's a guarantee, but everything might keep on dipping. Uh, Yeah, like it sucks when you're up huge and then like when it goes down like crazy, it's not fun for sure. Let's see. Options. I don't know why my iPad's being super glitchy. It's like not wanting to work. It's like what the hell's wrong with it? Wait for 16 area. Yeah, if it'll hit the 16 area, I think that would be uh, pretty much close to a bottom, I think. That'll be a good potential bottom. I'll probably load up quite a bit more on the 16. Things also got to watch out, like, you see what's going on in the whole flipping, country, world, and everything, Glitch in the Matrix. Glitch in the Matrix. Wonder what that means. Let's see, what else should I buy? Oh yeah, copper. Let's check out copper. Copper is a pretty decent one for long term. So that's copper, micro copper futures, but I don't know why it's being glitchy, copper futures. Why isn't it showing anything? Why is it being so glitchy? I don't get it. I don't flipping get it. It's like nothing's really working. I don't know why. Let's see. United States copper. Yeah, this one's working. The futures was kind of glitching now for some reason. Let's see. Maybe I should get some more copper. So it's kind of down from what I got. But look, it's like kind of stupid. I don't know why the flipping device is so glitchy. Maybe it's pissed because I didn't use it for a long time or something. Let's see. Maybe I'll get some copper options. Trade. It's like, what the hell? I don't know what's going on with it. Extremely glitchy. Okay, just to do one little thing. I don't know what the hell is wrong with it. Either something glitchy with Robinhood or something weird. Like, look, it's taking forever just to do one transaction. Oh, man, that sucks. That flipping sucks. So you're asking, do you trade futures or Forex? Yeah, I trade futures. I usually do the prop firm trading. Sometimes I trade futures on Robinhood. But like right now, like I don't know, everything's so glitchy. I don't have a prop firm account. I mean, I don't have a eval going right now yet. So eventually I'll get another eval, but yeah, kind of what the plan is. But I don't know why Robinhood is so glitchy. Like, look, I'm trying to get like $5 worth of copper, and it's like spinning and spinning forever. I don't get it. I wonder if it's the same for everybody else. Like, look, just one little transaction, it took forever to do. Doesn't make any sense. Like, let's see, I'll try to do another transaction. Let's see, $1. At least this one went through faster, but I don't know why it's being so glitchy. I trade futures, but on a CFD account, it's the best because the leverage is awesome. Oh, nice. What's the abbreviation for the CFD? I've never heard of that one. I take a screenshot of it just in case if I want to check it out later. But yeah, I don't know why Robin is being super crazy glitchy. Let's see, try to fix this a little bit better. Commodity for difference. Oh, I see. Thank you there, Regimen. Let's see. I'll take a screenshot of it so I can try not to forget. Honestly, I'll throw the paper, see if I should get some more copper. Let's see. Should I buy some more copper? Yes or no? Let's see what it says. Okay, so it says no. Maybe I should ask the paper if there will be like a war with Iran. Let's see what the paper says in the near future. Let's see, will there be a war with Iran in the near future? Let's see what it says. Look, the paper says no. We'll see how true that is, right? Hopefully that's the case, because hopefully there are no wars. But if that's the case, that'll be awesome. We'll see what happens. Paper could be wrong, paper could be right. We don't know. But yeah, copper, that's pretty decent. Let's see, maybe I should go to the flipping list. Let's see, go to the flipping list of metals and see what kind of metals to get. Let's see. Oh yeah, energy. Maybe I should get some energy stocks. Let's see, which one should I get out of these? Bloom Energy, that's kind of high like crazy. I'm not really sure which one to get. Maybe the nuke. Either this one or maybe this one. Range nuclear. Maybe I should get some of this one. Might be maybe worth it a little bit. But I don't know. Robinhood's general is being so. I don't know if it's Robinhood or is it the tablet? Like it's never been glitchy like this, where like it's not moving, it's not wanting to do anything. It's like so weird. It doesn't make any sense. Why is it being so glitchy? Okay, I'll buy some of the nuclear stuff. Let's see, just for the heck of it, a couple bucks, see how it works. And then I should ask the paper and see, should I buy some more nuclear stuff? So let's see, should I buy some range nuclear renaissance index ETF, some NUKZ? Let's see, should I buy some NUKZ? Yes or no? Let's see what it says. So it says yes, it wants me to buy some nukes. I guess I get to buy a tiny bit of that one at least. Not much, but maybe kind of sort of halfway something a little bit. Maybe kind of sort of halfway something a little bit. Maybe a couple more bucks of that one. Let's see. Let's see, what other one should I check out here? Let's see, Uber. Maybe check out Uber. Oops. You going after Iran? After Iran? That's funny, JSS. Not really. Like, seriously? HYMC. Oh, man. Okay, I could check out the HYMC in a little bit. Let's see, Uber. Maybe I should ask the paper if I should get some Uber stock. Let's see, should I flip and buy some Uber? Yes or no? Let's see what it says. It doesn't want me to get some Uber. Okay, I'll check out the next one. Alrighty. Let's check out the next one here. The HYMC, right? Let's check it out. HYMC. I don't like it that my flipping tablet is glitchy. Either my tablet or I think Robin is glitchy. I don't know if you have Robin, if it's glitchy for you guys or not, but it's glitchy as hell for me. But I do have a little bit of this one, and it looks like it's doing kind of good. But I'll probably buy a little bit of this one for now. Let's see, maybe get like a couple bucks worth, and then I could ask the paper if I should get some more of it. Oh, they just found a new vein. I see. That's crazy. That's pretty cool. But yeah, look at that. Like, Robin is so glitchy like crazy. It's like spinning and like buffering and whatever. So, oh, come on. I don't know why it's so glitchy. Highcroft Mining Holding Corp. engages in the exploration, mining, and development of gold and silver properties. The company was Founded on August 28, 2017, is headquartered in Winnemucca, Nevada. The listed name for HYMC is Highcroft Mining Holding Corporation, Class A common stock. Oh yeah, it does look pretty good, pretty decent. You need to look at the charts, buy on dip. Oh, I definitely agree with you there, Sophia. ENT1184. Buying at the dip, that's kind of what I'm trying to do. But also, if crazy shit will be going down in the short term, like some valuable metals sometimes won't hurt too. But yeah, definitely you gotta try to invest smart. Let's see, should I? I'll ask the paper. Let's see. Should I get some more of the HYMC? Let's see what it says. Yes or no? Okay, so at the moment it says no, but maybe later it'll be a yes. But at least for now it's no, but I did get some though. So it's kind of sort of halfway better than nothing. Okay. Maybe I should ask the paper if I should live stream less often. Let's see what it says. Should I live stream less often? Yes or no? The paper says no. That's not cool. Like, the paper said no. That's not cool. It's a sideways no. I don't know why the paper wants me to flip and stream. Flipping paper. I thought I was gonna get some rest, and the paper wants me to keep on streaming. CDE, right? Let's check out CDE. So another mining deal. This one might be pretty decent too, right? Ask should you buy on a dip? Okay, I could ask it. Okay, let's see. I'll ask the paper. See how smart the paper is. Should I buy on the dip? Let's see. Also depends on what kind of dip. The paper says no. The thing is, you probably gotta ask it like exactly the detail, because if you buy a garbage company on the dip, it'll just keep on dipping. If you buy a good company on a dip, it'll be good. But yeah, that's what the paper said. Kind of funny. Let's see. Man, why is this flipping so glitchy? Oh man, this sucks. I don't know if it's Robinhood or something's way too glitchy. Oh hey there, Mayor's Gaming. Thanks for the gift, man. Thanks for the gift, bro. Paper is tired, streaming too much. I know, right? For sure there, Paul Hellerich. Actually, I took a little break from streaming, and then like I asked the paper if I should stream, and it said yes. I was like, oh man. Well, let's see, mining. Okay, I added that to the mining. Let's see, trade. Let's see, get this under the options. Trade, buy, maybe get a couple of bucks worth of this one. And then I should ask if I should get some more. I've been looking for your stream. Oh man, I'm sorry I wasn't streaming like for a little bit there, Mayor's Gaming. The thing is, like, I'm super overwhelmed with work. I got multiple projects. I'm just kind of burnt out, so I didn't have enough energy or like much time to do any more streaming. I was able to do one right now, but like I still have like one too many projects with my company, and it's hard to do all of them by myself. But yeah, I'll try to do it more often. I'll try to stream more often. Let's see. I'm gonna ask the paper, should I get some more of the CDE? WID. Oh, WYD for work, Nicky. What do you mean by WYD there, in a glance? Let's see, should I get some more CDE? Let's see, should I get some more CDE? Yes or no? I guess for now it's a no. For now, it's a flipping no. Let's see. By INTC. Oh, so what do you do for work? Oh, okay, that's what it stands for. Sorry, I didn't understand that one at first. But yeah, what do I do for work? I do construction work. I have my own construction company, and I mostly do tile work, some stone work, some finish work, just general construction work, but mostly tile work, like install showers, backsplashes, tile floors, like fireplaces, just a whole bunch of stuff like that, like finished tile work for my own company, my own construction company. So I don't have workers. Sometimes once in a while I hire somebody to help out a little bit, but it's mostly me doing all the work, so it's kind of hard. Right on, brother. That sounds physical, intensive, but probably fulfilling. Oh yeah, like it is pretty fulfilling for sure there in the glance. But yeah, it is like kind of hard work, but it's worth it. But especially it's kind of overwhelming when you got multiple projects and you're the only one that has to do all of them. So like I'm balancing between one project and another, trying to make sure it's all covered. Not easy. Definitely not easy. See, I want to check out Bitcoin, see if Bitcoin's dipping right now or not. So it's still kind of hovering around that 66,900 or something. Let's see, trade off the ladder. But I don't know why this Robin is general super glitchy right now. Like, it's like not letting me do anything almost. For sure, man, you gotta keep your business unlocked. Can't forget to take care of yourself too. Oh, thank you there, Niglance, for sure. I definitely agree with you. Like that's why especially when I got like one too many projects going at once, like I wasn't able to fill in with the live streams just because my hands were too full and I was too tired, kind of burnt out. But yeah, one does need to get enough rest to kind of properly function, you know. Definitely agree with you that with that one. Sells Bitcoin going up, go 64. Yes, the Bitcoin might dip some more, but Pepe Crypto is cheap. Yeah, right now, like it's probably cheap, but it might potentially go down lower. And the thing is, right now, yeah, down today 4.06%. If crypto will go down some more, like if Bitcoin will go down some more, most of the crypto might go down along with it. But I really do not like it that it's super glitchy. I don't know what the hell is wrong with it. I either have to reboot my iPad or maybe Robinhood's glitchy. I don't know. Look at it, it's just not acting right. 372%. What's your best gainer this year? What's my best gainer this year? Actually, so far I don't really know. Like I'm not really keeping super close track of what it is because I got a whole bunch of weird mix of stuff like stocks and everything. So I'm not really sure. And I got right now multiple flipping accounts. It's hard to tell. And like I haven't been trading too much because like I was like still am kind of overloaded with work. But like if crypto does dip some more, it might dip alongside with it some more, like the Pepe and some other crypto. But that's not a guarantee though that it will. But regardless, even if I wanted to buy some of this one right now, I can't, or like any crypto, because I need to add some more accounts to the my normal account, which right now, see, buying power, I don't have enough. On my other accounts, I do have enough. Like, see, crypto, it only gives me the option to buy it under the my main account, which is this one. This is the only one I could buy crypto on. Like all of these, the options account, like I could do options and stocks. Roth IRA, I can't buy crypto with that one. And this Nicky ETF, I could buy with this one, but the buying power is zero. So the only one I got buying power right now is with the options account. So I got like over $2,000 that I could buy stuff with that one. Oops. You should stay away from crypto right now until the pull and second pull is over. I think that's a good idea there, SoFi ENT. I think that's a good idea because who knows how low the crypto in general might dip. I mean, I do like crypto for the long term, but sometimes it has pretty good dips though. I heard about prop firms. Oh, hey there, Red Gaming Pro. Yes, I did. I have the right now. I got the Take Profit Trader prop firm. So like I haven't passed the eval on it yet. So like eventually I want to get another active account and try that. But yeah, that's the one I'm working on right now. I'm trying to pass at least one eval on the Take Profit Trader. And I'm using Tradeovate with that. So like so far I haven't passed eval. I'm trying to though. Still trying to. Is that what you trade on there, Red Gaming Pro? Let's see, maybe should get a credit card with Robinhood. They won't let me get it. I mean, I'm still on the list. They're still not letting me get it though. Oh, thanks for the gift again there, Amir's Gaming. Thank you, man. What strategy do you trade, or what's your edge? What strategy do I trade? Like I have a mix of different stuff. Like I don't know, it's like my own type of strategy, or I don't know if it's my own or not, but it's a mix of everything. Thanks for another gift there, Amir's Gaming. Thank you, man. But yeah, I do all kinds of trading. Like I do options trading right now. Like I sold out of everything right before the dip, so I don't have any options right now. But eventually, I'm gonna start getting back into the options. But I do everything. I do swing trading, day trading, scalping, prop firm trading, futures trading, uh, a whole bunch of different type of trading. But like right now, like trying to get into some longer positions at the same time doing short term positions and tiny bit of crypto. So it's a mix. Like so, I can't really say exactly. Like it's a mix of everything. Like I don't know how to say it. I thank you for the gifts there, Amir's Gaming. Thank you, man. Market structure. I see. Market structure. Not good. Oh, the way I trade is not good. A mix of everything, right? I mean, as long as you're making profits, I think that's the main thing that matters. Like if you could trade everything and make money with everything, that's better than nothing. So the Roth IRA, that's the one I started kind of last year. I never maxed it out. Nicky ETF. This is one of the new ones I started today. Try this. Take out $17 to get a 5K account. Focus on percentage. Use that to build confidence. That way, even if you lose the account, you won't feel bad. Count towards experience. Oh, like I totally agree with you there, Red Gaming Pro 8880. Net worth. Let's see. If you pass and get say 10% payout, that's literally 500 US dollar from 17. Oh wow, yeah, that definitely makes sense there, Red Gaming Pro 8880. So which prop firm account like could you pay $17 to get in? So you're hey the HKMP7. You're asking about the net worth. Well, on the right here, it's not much. I recently started this from scratch, so like there's all of these you could see. So that's like not much what I got on here. I recently sold out of everything, and like right before this last dip, I sold out of everything, and I'm kind of dollar cost averaging a little bit into the market. I would look into K Coles before their earnings. Market is underestimating their Sephora partnership. Oh, I see. They won't pay you. Oh, really? They won't pay you? Oh, Gold funded is 17 for 5K account. Oh, wow. I see. That's pretty cool. Well, I'll check it out. I'll look into it. I've got the take profit trader. I'm trying to make that one work, but I'll look into the what do you call it? The gold funded $17 for 5K account. Oh, like you could be right there because I don't know anything about the gold funded thingy, but like just for the heck of it, I could like look into it, research about it. Because I do trade with a take profit trader once in a while, you know, that's a prop firm. But that one's more of an expensive one, but it's a more proven one though. Oh, nice, they will. Oh, nice. That's where you started from there, Red Gaming Pro. That's pretty cool. Yeah, especially if they do like pay, that's pretty nice. That's definitely pretty good. Let's see. Which one should I check out right now? LYFT. Yeah, Lyft is down quite a bit too. Lyft. Let's see. Maybe I should ask the paper if I should get this one, but and the whole thing is being way too glitchy. It's like doesn't want to do anything at all. I don't know why. It's either my flippin' tablet or it's either Robinhood that's super glitchy. It's like so weird. Let's see options. Once I got my payout, I invested in a better firm and got a higher account. Oh, nice. That's pretty cool. Yeah, if you could do that, that's definitely pretty good. Like from one prop firm, make enough money, go to the higher paying one. Glitch might be the Wi-Fi. I don't know because I'm streaming on the Wi-Fi. Like the stream is going pretty smooth. That thing's going pretty good over there. I think like it might be Robinhood itself. I don't know. Let me see my other phone. Like it might be the iPad. Might be the iPad itself that's pretty glitchy. Cause I got the same deal here on my phone. Let's see. You would wouldn't be down. Yes, turn off and turn on Wi-Fi might help. To join this prediction market I built for streamers, influencers, Robinhood. You make markets and your audience bets on them. But yeah, it might maybe be the what do you call it, the tablet because on my phone it looks like it's doing pretty good. Like, that's my iPhone 17. So if I search something on here, let's see. For example, I'll try QQQ here. Oops. Yeah, it seems to be working okay. Maybe that's just flipping. Maybe that's the iPad that's glitchy. See if I go alongside both of them. Let's see. Go click on options. So see the same thing here. Let's see. Maybe I'll try to click on the same thing here. Let's see. Copper. Trade. Let's see. Buy. Let's see. Buy. Yeah, I don't know. It's something kind of glitchy. I don't know what it is, but something's weird. See, right now, like it's being glitchy again. Like my phone, on the phone, it's not as bad, but like maybe it's something wrong with the tablet. It's like being super slow and super glitchy. I might have to reboot the tablet eventually, but it's not working right. Tablet slower. Yeah, I think so. I think so. There, Sophia Yenti. I think the tablet is just slower in general. Like, look, it's just. Yeah, I think I have to reset the tablet because the internet's pretty decent. NAK is likely on a low. Oh, NAK. Let's see. Northern Dynasty Minerals. Yeah, so I do have that on the watch list. But it is pretty glitchy. Like just to kind of move it, it's not really doing anything. Looks like a iPad issue resetting should work. I think so. I agree with you there, Paul Hellrich. Let's see, like, because I just checked the phone. Like the phone on Robin had the same thing. It's pretty smooth, but in this one, it's pretty glitchy. I don't think I've ever heard that issue with iPad. Well, this is not the best iPad. This is just a iPad 10 or whatever. Like it's not a Pro, it's not an Air, it's just a iPad 10. So it is like my phone is stronger than the iPad, so it kind of makes sense. But yeah, like literally, like look, it's just I'm swiping the screen and it's like I think I it hasn't been reset or rebooted for a long time. I think that's what it needs. Come on. Literally, it's like extremely glitchy. Maybe you should flip the iPad. I know, right? Maybe I should flip it. Northern Dynasty Minerals Ltd. engages in the exploration and development of gold and copper minerals property that holds interest in the Pebble Copper Gold Moly project, which is an undeveloped copper gold molybdenum silver resource. The company was founded on May 11, 1983 and is headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. The listed name for NAK is Northern Dynasty Minerals Ltd. So yeah, looks pretty decent. Looks like I do have it on my watch list. Let's see, maybe I should get some of this one at least. Buy like add a couple of bucks worth of it right now. Just for the heck of it, you know. But maybe it'll work better. Like see, like it's like the flipping hell. It's like not wanting to do anything. Punch it. The money is in the charts. I know, right? For sure. Right, it's the tablet's being pretty stupid. It's pretty frustrating. Maybe I should reboot it. Let's see. Maybe I should turn it off. There we go. Now it's off. Now I could go full port on that one and see how much contracts. 1,000 of the 1,500 contracts of the what do you call it? Micro gold, right? Maybe I could try to make. Oh yeah, 1,000 contracts. Maybe try to go 1,000 contracts on the micro gold and see what it does, right? You must learn how to select. Yeah, for sure. Like picking the right stocks is a good thing too. Good to know how to pick the right ones for sure. I definitely agree with that one. But the thing is, I can't really do a bet here because I got to activate one of my accounts. So I can't really do anything on this one. I could flip and look at the chart, but I can't trade because I got to activate an account. Anyways, I'll try to turn on the tablet, see if the reboot will help. It might take it a while. Maybe I should ask the paper, should I reboot the tablet? So right now it's rebooting. Let's see. Is rebooting gonna help the tablet work better? Let's see. Yes or no? Let's see. The paper says no, that's not gonna make it work better. What the hell? Maybe I should ask the flippin' 8-ball, right? Let's see, the flippin' 8-ball. Is rebooting the tablet gonna make it work better? Let's see what it says. Let's see what flippin' says on here. If I could find what it says. Kind of tries to keep on rolling. What the hell? Let's see, put it over here. Put it somewhere where it's not gonna roll too much. Okay, well, let's see what it says here. Gotta use the flashlight because, let's see. Can't really see what it says. Gotta look at my magnifying glass. Let's see. What does it say on there? It's hard to read. It is this. Oh, it is decidedly so. So that's what it says. It is decidedly so. I'm not sure if you guys could see it. That's what the 8-ball thingy is saying. It is decidedly so. Flippin' A. So, like, the paper said it's not going to help. The flippin' 8-ball said it's decidedly so that it might potentially help, you know? So it's kind of weird. I don't know. I guess we'll see what happens. Flippin' A, weird scam. What does the paper think about the ball? Do they get along? Sometimes they get along, sometimes they don't. It kind of depends. They kind of usually don't think alike. I'm convinced there's more ink on no side. More ink on no side? I don't, maybe. There could be. Slightly. That's funny. Do you let's see. Do you have many things open on the iPad? Do you ever go through and exit out of apps you're no longer using? That's the thing. I might have to go through. I might have to go through that. Let me see. I gotta try to open. Okay, so iPad. Come on. Hopefully it's not as glitchy this time. What the hell? Why does it want me to use the passcode? I thought it's got my fingerprints on it. Let's see. Do the password thing. Usually it's supposed to use my. That's weird. Okay, so now I got in. Okay, back into the Robinhood thingy. Wall Street watching your iPad. I know, right? It probably is. It's kind of funny. Okay, now the fingerprint thing is working. Okay, now I'm back in. We'll see how glitchy or not glitchy will be right now. Double tap the home button once you unlock it. Oh, for real? Double tap the home button? Okay, so right now seems to be working a little bit better. I mean, it's still probably like in the process of like the reboot, but it looks like it's going slightly smoother right now. A little bit better. Oh, hey there, brother. Vika boy, will you buy more XRP? I probably will. I might let it dip some more, bro. Let's see. My iPad's pretty glitchy for some reason. But yeah, right now it's like a pretty decent area to like dollar cost average into. Like right now I need to add some more funds to my account because I got multiple accounts. I sold everything out. But like right now, like it might dip some more. Like Bitcoin might dip some more. Like most of the crypto might dip some more. But like on the options account, I got over $2,000 buying power on this one. But the thing is, I can't buy crypto on this one because that's one of the accounts I opened on Robinhood. So on the investing account, I gotta add more funds to be able to buy some more crypto. But on the options account, I could buy some more, but not crypto though. It's kind of a mix. Buy rain, I know, right? I see. Are you investing in anything there, Vanka boy, brother? Hey guys, Vanka boy, he's my brother, my baby brother. By GJTAI. Not yet. Oh, I see. Yeah, crypto's kind of risky right now. Like, I do like XRP. I like Bitcoin. Like, Bitcoin long term, I think it'll probably go up to over 200,000. But short term, it might dip quite a bit, in my opinion. Not financial advice or anything, but it might dip some more. Oh, nice. Investing is pretty good, pretty decent. Like, especially like dollar cost averaging into something that's worth it long term. It's definitely pretty good. He's not a baby. What I mean by baby brother is my youngest brother. Vanka boy is my youngest brother, youngest sibling in general. But yeah, if you know what I mean, like dollar cost averaging into something that goes up long term, just a little bit at a time, like once a month, like or twice a month or whatnot. Silver gold is where it's at, especially with U.S. about to attack Iran. Oh yeah, I definitely agree with you there, Antifa. Gold and silver. That's what I'm focusing on right now. Like gold, silver, maybe some copper, some platinum, uranium, a whole bunch of metals. But gold and silver, for sure, it's a good hedge against this war type time right now. What's up, and little brother? But yeah, like it's right now, it's better to try to play it safe. Like I'm trying to get into some gold and silver. Oh, the 6-7. Thank you there, Mayor's Gaming. Thank you for the 6-7. That's pretty cool. That's awesome, man. But yeah, for sure, I'm trying to get some more like gold, the GLD, gold, silver, like different type of metals. Like, because what I heard on the news that like most likely there'll be a war with Iran. So if that does happen, nothing's a guarantee, but if that does happen, uh, everything might dip quite a bit. So it's pretty risky. Just observing over here, nice. But yeah, out of the gold and silver, like this is the gold that I buy there, bro. This is the one I get, like SPDR Gold Trust. I don't have much on this one right now, but I'm dollar cost averaging. Like I have some cute orders. And now if I click on the options, that's my other Robinhood account. So I just go and do like fractional buys. Like I could add like $5 to this one right now, and it'll, once the market's open, it'll buy some for me. Then I go to the silver. Let's see. There's different types of ETFs for gold and silver. So I'll go to a silver. Good thing about like this one, like here, is that like you could buy it and sell it pretty easily. Like I like the physical assets too. It's in a way it's better, but like the good thing about this here, the ETFs that you could buy and sell real quick. So I do like this one, the silver. Currently, I'm down on it a little bit, which is nice because I'm trying to get it at a dip. So I like this one for a long term. I gotta switch this to the other account here. Let's see, options, trade, buy $5 of this one, just a little bit at a time. They're moving ships and planes to at least make it look like it. Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, they're moving all that there. I heard that. Regardless whether they're gonna use it or not, but they're trying to show something, like they're serious for sure. 160, best of humanity. 160 of what there? Let's see. Oh, like $160. Well, that's the investing. Well, like I started the what do you call it? Investing the brokerage from scratch. I sold out to switch out of margin to cash account. So to do that, I had to sell out of everything. Russia and Europe, pay attention. Oh, for sure. Definitely paying attention to those. For sure. Let's see, maybe I should get some more platinum. Let's see, platinum. Let's see, which platinum should I get? Granite shares platinum. Maybe this one. Let's see. Let's look at the chart here. This one looks kind of decent. Like it might, because it kind of dipped a little bit, might do okay. So I do have some of it is down. So I might add a couple of bucks of worth of this one. Let's see. Change this to the options. Probably not much. Maybe get like a couple bucks worth of it for now. Okay, that's good. Let's see, uranium. Global X uranium, let's see, or uranium energy. One of either or, probably get some of those. Global X uranium ETF. Let's see, maybe I should get some of that one. Let's see, let's look at the chart. Do you have Bitcoin? Oh yeah, I do have Bitcoin. Not a lot, because I recently sold out of everything. Like very little bit of Bitcoin I've got. Eventually, once it dips down some more, if it dips down some more, I'll get some more. But like I do have some of it. So this one, I probably get some more of this one, like the uranium stuff. Probably get like a couple bucks worth of this one. I gotta change it to the options. But yeah, Bitcoin, I don't have much of it right now. Let's see, BITC. Let's see. Yeah, I have like $2.66 worth of it. But like I said, I'm waiting for a bigger dip. This is kind of just to have it on the radar. I don't have much, but I do have to put more money on my account that I could buy Bitcoin with or crypto with to be able to buy some more of it. So, but I do have other accounts here on Robinhood that I could buy stocks and ETFs and all that stuff with. So the options account, that's the one I got some more money on that I could buy stuff with. Let's see. What's your options on gold? My options on gold, like I don't have any options like option contracts, but like I like gold for long term in general. XRP, I do like XRP for long term, but the thing is, like I said, if Bitcoin will keep on dipping short term, XRP and most of the other cryptos will dip alongside with it. Not all of it, at least maybe for the most part, most of it should. But I would probably get this one. Right now, it's like a pretty good area to DCA dollar cost average into. But like I said, I gotta add more funds to this account to buy more cryptos, which I gotta do here eventually. But I do like it for long term. I think eventually, in my opinion, not financial advice, but I think eventually it's gonna go back up to like the $3 area, 3.5, 3-ish dollars, in my opinion. So if it does do that, that'll be a pretty good move. But that's not a guarantee, not financial advice though. Are you doing contracts? Yes, I do contracts sometimes, like, but right now, like, I gotta, what do you call it, add more funds to my account. And like recently, because I sold out, I'm trying to be careful of what kind of contracts I'll be doing. But yeah, I do contracts. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That there's a potential that Bitcoin and crypto will be dipping somewhere. That's why I'm not getting too much of it. Literally, I barely have any of the XRP. So you $8 and something, that's like nothing. But once it dips some more and I add more funds, I'll try to buy more on a dip on that one, on this right here. Crypto has to pull back some more to support for crypto unless you're average in. Bitcoin 50 to 62. Yeah, I could potentially see it doing that. Obviously, nothing's a guarantee. Now I gotta drink some mate a little bit here, my South American tea drink. But yeah, I do like crypto for long term. But yeah, I'm waiting for a dip and trying to dollar cost average a little bit into it. So do you really think war is imminent? That's a scary thought. In my opinion, I think there probably might be one. I mean, that's just not just my opinion, but that's I even heard it on the when I was driving to and from work, like in my truck, the Fox headline news and stuff like that. I heard news on there that like they were saying that it's like a 90 something ish percent chance that there might be one. So it's just not my opinion. It's just what I heard, but I'm not sure how true that is. So it's a possibility. If that happens, there could be like a black swan event for the market. And then apart from that, like we'll see if the tariffs will be approved by the courts, like Trump's tariffs. If those like if the courts disapprove of those, it could like tank the markets even more. Apart from the Iran deal that's going on, so if everything goes south, it could be pretty crazy. But if not, hopefully everything's pretty good though. If they saying it's war, look for what's really going on. Epstein, I know, right? For sure. TLT calls. I think it's nothing's a guarantee. Like we hear one thing on the news, we're not. It's nothing's a guarantee though. But it's good to be safe regardless, of what happens. Like I can't say whether to get puts or not. The general headline news that we hear, like we gotta be careful and kind of have a plan around regardless of what's gonna happen. In my opinion. TLT calls. What's TLT? Oh, the iShares 20 plus year Treasury bond ETF. That might be a pretty decent deal, huh? Get a call in TLT. Oh, nice. So if there's a war, like you think this one might be pretty decent there, Lance? So what is this one? Get in the call in TLT. So TLT tracks a market-weighted index of debt issued by the U.S. Treasury with remaining maturities of 20 years or more. The list is named for TLT as iShare 20-year Treasury bond ETF. So I think this one might be worth it. QQQ put for tomorrow. I'm not sure. I can't say whether to short the market or not. Like there could be a dead cat bounce. There could be like anything, literally anything. 'Cause maybe the market could be doing good, and I don't know. Nobody knows what's gonna happen. It's just I'm just talking about like the kind of news I heard. Who knows how true that is? But like what I'm saying, regardless, just be careful in the market and in general because anything can happen. Just be prepared for anything to happen. That's kind of what I'm trying to say. And who knows? It might take even if there is a war. We don't know if that's going to happen or not. It might take a while for maybe that to even something like that to start unfolding out or whatever. But yeah, this one. So if buy a call, maybe I could get like options. Maybe I could get like let's see, just to kind of see what it does. I'll probably get like $5 worth of this thingy, just to kind of see what it does for now. And then after I get that one, see to get a call, like see trade options. To get a call on this thingy, let's see. I don't think I need to get one that far outdated one, but maybe get like, let's see, maybe this one, June 18th. So this one right here, it's not too bad. So it's like max loss $261. If I get like 2 of these, let's see, and then do the. So might do kind of okay. I mean, unlimited max profit, but we'll see. These scalp trades. Yes, Hey there, JV Joe. Yes, sometimes I do scalp trades too. About leave later. Okay, later there, Sophia ENT. Out of money call for cheap with 30 to 45 days. Oh, I see. Out of the money. 30 to 45 days. So right now, if it's almost the 20th, let's see. So get something like March 20th. That's like a month out. And get something out of the money. So like potentially get something like, maybe get something like this one. Maybe get like 10 of these contracts and then see what it does, right? 10 of these contracts. Then if it does go your way, you could make some money. So it might be an option, right? I still don't understand that. If it says unlimited profits, that means, oh, if that means unlimited profits, that means, let's see. Let's see, for example, if you buy, like, for example, this one. Unlimited profits, that means as long as the thing goes up, the like if it keeps on going up, you keep on making profits, like that's the thing. Yeah, I was going to say check 92, just get one in case they're pretty cheap. So one of the 92, right? So I think this one, right? Thing is, I might wait for it. I mean, $30 is not much. I could get it just for the heck of it. Let's see, buy. Come on, why is it being so glitchy? TLT, so one will be max loss, $30. I think it's better to do these when the market's open though, right? Even higher than 92, just in case. Yeah, if I'll get it, I'll probably get it later. I got the $5 queued in just to kind of see what it does. But like if something goes south for sure, like who knows what will happen though. Yeah, it's 6:30 a.m. I see. Can anyone give me work? I have never bought options. Oh, you have never bought options there, JV Joe? I see. Yeah, options are pretty decent. I queued in the market open. I'll order for like $5 worth of this. I'll see what it does, and like I think it's better to do the options trade. Like usually, I like to do those when what do you call it? The market's open. I think it's safer. But I'll probably add this to my, let's see, top metals, top stocks to trade. To this one just in case, top stocks to trade. But yeah, nothing's a guarantee. Like we will listen to some news, like we hear one thing could happen, another thing could happen. Nothing's a guarantee though. Like we don't know exactly what's gonna happen. Watch what TLT calls cost if there's real threat of war and markets plummet. Yeah, like it's like anything could happen, but we'll see. What I'm saying is like I'm trying to be safe myself if something does go south. That's what I'm trying to get: the gold, the silver, the metals, the safer stuff. And then like if the good stocks and companies and ETFs go down some more, it'll just gonna be like discounts, Black Friday type deals for the stock market. Let me see Bitcoin, my son. Put it all in Bitcoin, bro. Oh, you want to see Bitcoin? So let's see BITC. So Bitcoin's at 67,000 right now. It looks like it's going up a tiny bit, but it's still down quite a bit from where it used to be. Let's see, 1 month. So 1 month is down 27%. Hell yeah, I might time this perfect. Oh, nice. you you might, I meant. Oh, I see, I see. Yeah, if you time it right, it'll be pretty nice. You know, try like it's kind of impossible to catch the bottom of the market, but if you do catch the bottom, it'll be pretty good. It'll be pretty decent. Well, like I said, nothing's a guarantee. Like we hear in the news, there might be a war, but it's not a guarantee though. Regardless of whether they're sending their stuff there or whatnot, but we'll see what happens. See how it'll all play out. Plus the tariff stuff. Like we'll see what happens with the courts and the tariffs. If the tariffs will be approved or not. It looks like picking options out of the blue. How to attack it and do any research to know what buy. Oh yeah, I usually like if I'm doing the options trade or whatever I'm doing, I kind of have an idea or a plan about my trade that I'm doing. But right now I'm not in any options trades, so I'm kind of waiting. But yeah, I'm definitely trying to do whatever research I can to make sure I do the right choice. See, do you think Textron symbol TXT a good stock to put a call option in? Newbie here, can you do a step-by-step video on trading? Oh, it's kind of hard to do a step-by-step video on trading, like because trading in general, it's like such a uh, big subject. There's you need multiple videos on that, you know. TXT. Let's see, TXT. Like obviously, I can't say what to buy, hold, sell, like whatnot. But I'm not even sure what this is. So Textron C is a multi-industry company which leverages a global network of aircraft, defense, industrial, and finance business to customers. It operates through the following segments: Textron Aviation, Bell, Textron Systems, Industrial, Textron Aviation, and Finance. The Textron Aviation segment manufactures, sells, and services Beechcraft and Cessna aircraft. The Bell segment supplies military and commercial helicopters, tiltrotor aircraft, and related spare parts. The Textron Systems segment develops, manufactures, and integrates a variety of products and services for United States and international military. The Industrial segment designs and manufactures a variety of products with specialized vehicles products lines. The Textron Aviation segment covers Pipstro along with other research and development initiatives related to sustainable aviation solutions. The company was founded by Royal Little in 1923 and is headquartered in Providence, RI, whatever the listed name for TXT is, Textron INC. Okay, so this one has a small dividend, 0.08%. Let's see. The analyst ratings on this one, 35% buy, 65% hold, 0% sell, so it looks kind of decent on that case. It's involved with the military and defense and all a whole bunch of that type of stuff, so it might, if there is a war or something, I think this one does have a potential to do pretty good. Not financial advice or anything, but it looks like this does have some good potential. You know, so I'll probably add this one to my top stocks to trade. And then just for the heck of it, I might add a little bit to this one. Let's see, options, trade, buy, probably like buy $5 worth of it, just in case. And then I could ask the paper and see what the paper says if I should get some more of the TXT. Let's see. Should I get some more TXT? Let's see, yes or no. Let's see what it says. So the paper says yes. So I can get some more of the TXT. Obviously, it's not financial advice or anything, but paper flipping said yes, like crazy hell, so I could add a tiny bit more to it. It's kind of sort of halfway just in case a little bit, you know, maybe a couple bucks more I think won't hurt. Kind of sort of halfway better than nothing. So that's good. Good luck, have fun. Don't trade what you don't know how to trade. Sell when it's hot and drop from high with 15% range of rally. Ideally, U.S. London session. Have you ever trade funded accounts? So have I ever traded funded accounts like to try to participate when there is liquidity? Funded account like what I'm trying to do right now. I'm trying to pass accounts in the take profit trader prop firm. That's the one I'm trying to do right now. I don't have an active one, but eventually I'll try to pass one. Thank you. I really appreciate your honesty. Oh, you're welcome, man. Wonder if Palantir will rise if there's a war on buy supply sell demand. Okay, wonder PLTR. Palantir might do okay if there's a war that will break out. PLTR, not a guarantee, but obviously it's involved in the government and stuff like that. So once crazy things break out, like it does have potential. It's the things. It's still pretty expensive. That's the thing, but it could still potentially do good because it's government's using it a lot. You know, it's still kind of iffy. Like it could do good. It could also dip some more. It's hard to tell on this one. Short term, long term, I think it might be doing okay. But none of this financial advice, though. You know, it's regardless. It's all risky. Like who knows what will happen. Wow, that was a very quick lesson. Thank you. But yeah, things could be kind of crazy just in general. Like I think everybody should be very careful with the whole situation because if there's a black swan event, like if the market will dip like crazy, like if somebody's in a whole bunch of stocks, companies, whatever, like can't say what to do, buy, hold, sell, or whatnot. Just I can say is be careful because anything could happen. Like I sold out before just the initial dip that happened, and I'm trying to get in a little bit at a time, but I'm not getting in too heavy. But I am getting into like gold and silver, some metals and some stuff. But taking it one day at a time and see what happens, right? Kind of see what happens. You know, definitely be careful. Let's see. What about Oko? What's your defense stocks? LMT is up a ton. RTX maybe, or what's a good one? I'm not sure which one the a good one is. Like in general, like for defense, I'm sure there's quite a bit. Thanks for the gift there, Mirrors Gaming. Thank you, man. Let's see. I could check out the let's see LMT right there, Lance. LMT. Oh, this one might be doing pretty good too. If there's a war breakout, I think so. Yeah, this one. I think you're right in this one. This one does have potential if there's a war breakout. So I probably let's see options. I don't have any of this one. I might get like a little bit of this one just to kind of see what it does. Q in a little bit of that one. Let's see, and then LMT, RTX. Let's see, RTX. I could check that one out too, right? RTX, RTX, RTX Corporation. So RTX Core, Aerospace and Defense Company, Aerospace and Defense. So yeah, that might be kind of pretty decent. Yeah, it's like generally going up. So like if there's more like weird crazy shit going on, it might keep on going up. What's your biggest holding right now? What's my biggest holding right now? Like I'm not sure. I think it might be either gold or silver. I think one of the metals. I think that might be my biggest. It's best if breed for defense in my opinion, but there's some other they're good. Yeah, it does look pretty good. You know, let's see analyst ratings. The analyst ratings 56% buy, 33% hold, 1% sell. Just in case, I'll get a little bit of this one. Oh shit, my flipping phone is almost dead. It's at 19%. I gotta plug it in. Gotta flip and plug it in like crazy. Phone's just about to die like crazy. But yeah, because of the weird, crazy shit that's going on, like I'm trying to get into more gold and silver and the precious metals and stuff like that. Like I'm not sure what's my biggest holding because it's a mix of different stuff. But I think the biggest is probably gold and silver right now. What's your opinion on symbol Oklo and BG Bongo Group? Oh, I could check it out there. Luck, Rixie. There's some. Have we looked into buying stock in rare earth minerals? Rare earth minerals, some of them are pretty good, but like you gotta know which one's the right ones to get into and the right time to get into those. You know, but you could definitely do pretty good with those. Let's see, Oklo. Okay, so I do have it on my watch list. Oklo INC engaged in the development of fission reactors. It provides clean energy through the design and the deployment of fast fission power plants. The company was founded by Jacob Dewey and Corin on July 3, 2013. It's headquartered in Santa Clara, California. The listed name for Oklo is OKLOINC. Okay, so analyst ratings on this one: 70% buy, 30% hold, 0% sell. Let's see. So it's a reactor type deal. It might have some potential. Like obviously for the maximum, it's up 579%. 1 year, it's up 40%. Year to date, it's down. 3 months is down. 1 month is down. 1 week is down. So yeah, it's hard to tell what it's gonna do right now. Like it could do okay, but with everything that's going on right now, I'm not sure. It's kind of a more of a risky stock at the moment, in my opinion. I mean, it might do okay in the long term, but obviously nothing's a guarantee. Like it looks kind of risky at the moment, in my opinion, not financial advice. Uh, but yeah, that's kind of what I think. I think it might be pretty decent. Energy's pretty good, but with everything that's going on, I'm not sure if it's like a priority in that type of energy type deal. Let's see. LAC. Let's see what that one is. Let's see. The best Lithium Americas. I think that one's kind of decent. Still kind of risky a little bit. Yeah, might wait on that one. Let's see, platinum. I think I added some of that. Meta. See how Meta's doing. Meta I kind of like for long term, but I might dip some more too in the short term. Let's see. Tesla's pretty decent, but if everything dips, Tesla might dip. But like because of everything that it's in, it might still do kind of okay compared to some other things. Let's see. Got so much stuff here. I'm not sure what to. Oh, this one, the quadruple U. That one might be kind of decent. Let's see. So I got a little bit of that one. Currently down on it. The energy fuels and mining development company which engaged in exploration and evaluation of uranium. Let's look at the chart here. Just in case, just for the heck of it, I might add a tiny bit to this one. Not much. Let's see, maybe add a couple of bucks of this. Just a tiny bit. Let's see, which other one do we want to look at here? Yeah, I should should get some Coke, right? Coca-Cola. If there's war, people still want to drink their Coke and Pepsi, right? Maybe I could add a couple bucks to those. And they are up quite a bit. That's funny. I don't have much in it, but when I did get in, my $1 turned into $1.12. That's funny. That's flipping funny. Oh man. Let's see. Just for the heck of it, I'll probably add a couple more bucks to this thing. Yeah, it's not gonna hurt anything. Oh man. Oh yeah, and then the other one, the flipping. Yeah, whatever. Let's see. Maybe I should go to Bitcoin and see what Bitcoin's doing right now. Bitcoin's still hovering in that area. Ah. Okay, I'll be logging off right now. Gotta work like crazy. Have a good night, everybody. Bye. I'll see you later.